Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change phone number on TD Bank app. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to open up your TD Bank app and log into your account. And now on the home screen you'll see an My Profile option. Just click on it. And then you will be able to access the security phone number section. Now once you're in there, you have to enter your country code and then write the phone number you have to add it. And then rewrite your phone number, and now at the end you can give it a name as well, but this is optional so we can skip it. Now just click on continue. Now it's gonna ask for verification or security code, so just click on call me or text me, what suits you best. Now for this example we just click on text me. Now you'll get a text on the phone number you just added to this account, and now type the code from that SMS into this app and your phone number will be added. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.